Hi friends, welcome you all to Deep Matrix. In today's video, we are going to see how to import the dataset into the MATLAB. So we all know that using MATLAB, we can do machine learning techniques. So for that, the most important thing is a dataset. So today we are going to see how to import the data and what are the pre-processing steps we can do using that data by using machine learning. So for that, move to home where you can find import data. So file manager will open. So now I'm going to import the data set. This is the data set I'm going to use. So an import window will open where you can find the so many techniques to apply on the data set. So I'm converting this to table format. So here the data type of the table values are present. So for example, male, female or the text data. So it classified as text. So we can also change this values to number to text or text to number. So now I'm going to choose. First of all, I'm going to convert this to, I don't want this to be a text value. So I'm going to convert the male, I mean the text of male to 1 and female to 0 or vice versa. For that, I'm going to change this to number. So after changing this to number data type, the color will be changed to orange. This indicates that the values are wrong. So here we are going to change this to 1. So here you can type a target string, then convert this to male here. So I did. I'm going to open another cell to 0, target string to female. So now I'm done. After that, I'm going to choose the what are the columns I needed in a data set. I don't need this user ID, so I don't want this. I'm going to choose B, C, D, E. So after choosing, I don't want my column names. So here there are not chosen. So this is perfect. I'm going to import. So the value is imported. You can see with 400 values and 4 columns, and these are the 4 columns. The user ID is not imported. So now we can check whether the male female value is changed to 1 or 0. So now we can see the gender value is changed from string to text, I mean numbers. So this is how MATLAB is useful in importing data and pre-processing the data. So now we can import the data into a different type of learner apps, and we can do the training of models. So in next video, we'll see about how to use the classification learner app in MATLAB and how we are going to build the models using MATLAB without even a single line of code. So until then, enjoy learning. Thank you.